Alright guys, so in case you haven't noticed, I haven't worked out like I was supposed to work out. I'm just, I have all kinds of excuses. None of them really matter. The fact is that I just haven't been doing it. So reluctantly, I'm gonna end this challenge. And I gotta admit, it's a little bit embarrassing because I was really trying to keep it going. But there's just so many things going on that it's just not a priority for me. I don't have the cravings to work out as much. I really need to have maybe like a 2 to 3 week period where that's my only focus, and not shooting weddings, trying to save money, all these things. Since the summer we're gonna go to Hokkaido for a month, I'm gonna basically pass until the summer, until we're on vacation, so that at least my only focus is going to be continuing to vlog for you guys, and then working out. So for now I'm just going to stick to strict keto, intermittent fasting, and then and once I get a little bit of the pressure relieved, then I'll start working out. Good morning guys, thank you for watching. It is Monday, Memorial Day, and we're about 6 weeks away from our summer vacation. In case you haven't seen any of the other videos, this summer we're going to take a 1 month vacation to Hokkaido, Japan, and within that 1 month we're going to do a 7-day road trip on a camping car, so RV. I'm so used to saying it in Japanese. So an RV. So there's a bunch of things that I need to get ready to be able to do that. I need an international license, so I already signed up for AAA. They're going to be able to give me one. Also, I have to plan out the route. If you haven't checked out my video on the Google star system, how you can mark stuff on the map, I already kind of went over some of the places, some of the locations that we want to go check out, and I'll make a video about that later on. But for now, if you haven't seen it, it's super convenient, super easy way to put all the attractions on the map, so that when you go to a place that you want to go to, you already have an idea of what's around it, and that saves you time. It saves you having to go back to the same place over and over again. So these next 6 weeks until vacation, it's gonna be crazy busy for us. That's just how it is. Being wedding photographers in Hawaii is just never ending. Right now I'm waiting for a wedding. I have 2 today, and just remember, it's a holiday. I'm at the beach. There's gonna be tons of people at the beach, and I already see 3 or 4 couples, and it's only 9 o'clock in the morning. So I'm gonna shoot this beach session. I'll go to the ceremony. I'll finish with that wedding, and then I do a second wedding just for the ceremony, just at the cathedral, which is really nice. And so yeah, that's just it's gonna be a typical day during wedding season for us. I'm gonna try to incorporate more photography related videos for you guys, because I'm sure it'd be interesting for you guys to be able to see what a wedding photographer, freelance photographer's life looks like. And yeah, let me know what you want to see from me. As I mentioned before, I really want to start incorporating more of my life. So if there's anything you find interesting, whether it's language, culture, photography, diet, any of those things, investing, which I'm going to talk about coming up pretty soon, then let me know, and then I can start making videos for that. All right, so let me get ready to do this, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. Lisa, ¿qué estamos haciendo? ¿Sabes cómo se llama este juego? Se llama Pogs. Pero estamos jugando con tapaderas. A ver, quita el pie, Risa, por favor.
¿Yo primero?
No, ella ganó.
Primero yo.
Primero yo. No, tú ganaste, me toca a mí, al perdedor, ¿ok? ¡Ah, dos! ¡Gané dos! ¡Woo! Me toca otra vez. Ahorita las voy a poner, espérense. Ok, ahí va. Ok, ahora sí, todos pongan. ¿Qué? Ríe, te toca. Ahorita te toca después de ella, ¿eh? Fuerte. Ah, otra vez, fuerte. Oh, te toca, Risa. Pégale fuerte. Otra vez. Hey guys, it's Tuesday night. We're getting ready to eat dinner. Yeah, this is Megu's favorite and also mine. So, everybody's favorite. This is Risa. She wants to be in video. And then we got a workaway Guga.
Hey.
Laura. Argentina and Germany. And then some people here that aren't important. And that's Rie. And so we got some pork belly, some kind of beef. We got nabe with eggs and noodles, shirataki noodle, miracle noodles, and then salad. And then Megu.
No.
Yeah, don't be stupid.
No.
Yeah, we're gonna move the car. Move them. We'll move them then. No, we're gonna move them. Hey, that is the right thing to do. No, no, come here.
No.
Están gritando. Porque están locos. Alright guys, it's Wednesday night and I just finished eating dinner. I just wanted to go over some of the details because I know it seems like it's the same thing over and over again. But this is a salad. I use some romaine hearts and I add cabbage so that it adds volume to it and also it's adds some crunch. And then I have avocado. I added some cherry tomatoes. You can limit those if you want to be really strict. And then a brand new thing that I'm doing is I'm adding almonds and chia seeds. And so that gives them some crunch too. This is just some cauliflower with some lemon pepper salt. And I threw it in the small oven real quick. This is just some drumsticks with salt and pepper. The reason I separated both of them is because one of our workawares, Guga, is a vegetarian. So I'm trying to separate the meat from the vegetables. And then probably the best one for dinner is leftovers. This is the leftovers from last night's nabe or hot pot. And so what I did is we had some spam in the refrigerator that was open, and you know, if you leave it open for too long, it starts getting weird and dry. And so before that happened, what I did is I cut it up, I threw it in here, I added some water, some Mexican chicken broth, and some chili garlic sauce, and it's super good. It's really good, delicious. And so that's it. I think it took me about 30 minutes to do all this, so it's real fast and filling. Yeah, so all this right now is leftovers until the girls come in, the workawares. And then this one is eating everything.
Celery.
Oh, and then I cut up some celery just for snacking. And Dia started loving celery with ranch.
Hey, Papa.
Okay, bye. How not to use the motorcycle. Walk it, man. Just walk it. Yeah, good job. Córrele. Más rápido. Like 15 minutes, I think. Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. I'm having an army day today and tomorrow. Last night we had a barbecue with everybody and I ate a lot. I think I must have ate continuously from like 1:30, 2 o'clock to about 9 o'clock, night at night. It's pretty, I was eating the whole time. I weighed myself the day before and this morning, and my weight did not change at all. So I was at 229, and I've been tracking my weight every day recently so I can do the review for the Libra app. I showed it to you guys before when I was doing the history of my weight, but this time I want to do a review on the app and why I use it, what I like about it. But I'll show you guys that later on. For now, I didn't bring any food. I didn't worry about it. I got a chance to go home and change, and I got some coffee, but I don't feel the urge to prep food. I'm just gonna go all day until I get a chance to go buy groceries, go home, cook dinner, and yeah, like I ate so much yesterday that it should last me a while. Hey guys, it's been a doozy of a day. Besides being a long one, waking up at 4, getting off at 5 p.m. I came to buy some groceries. I spent about an hour and a half. It was about 7 o'clock when I finished. And I come into the car, I turn the key and the key breaks. And now the car won't start. So first I cut up my finger pretty good. I don't know if you can see it. Cut it up pretty good trying to turn it with my fingers. Bad idea. So I had to go to the store, get some pliers because I didn't have any pliers in the car. Turn it and then it won't start. So now I'm waiting for Megu to come pick me up, or at least bring the spare key, and hopefully that spare key works. I'm assuming it has to do something with the sensor in here, so we'll see. Wish me luck. How's it going, guys? It's Sunday. I just finished my weekly army drill. I got home. Nobody's home right now. Megu's shooting. The girls are at a birthday party, and then the 2 workaways, Guga and Laura, went to North Shore, so I got home. I haven't really eaten anything, so right now I'm just cooking dinner. I got some ground beef right there. I got some bacon cooking right now. Got some onions and some garlic that I'm gonna add to the meat, and some zucchini. So it's gonna be like a stir fry, and then I'm gonna make a salad. It's real simple, nothing crazy. But I did want to use this opportunity to close out the week. So far I've been pretty busy, and it's about to get busier. I shoot almost every day except a couple of Sundays where I requested off, and so that way I get a little break and I get to spend some time with Dia and Lisa. But this is when we make our money, so it's good right before we hit vacations, which is going to be July in Japan and a 7-day road trip. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to try to do a weekly vlog, and so thank you guys for watching. I don't know if I'm giving you enough value for your time here, but if you have any comments, if there's something you want to see from me, please let me know. So reluctant. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember, I'm on a mission to retire early and travel the world with my family. So on top of my weekly vlogs, I'm also going to put videos on how I plan to generate money on the road, how I save money, how I become a minimalist, and anything that helps me reach that goal of early retirement. If that's something that interests you, please subscribe to this channel. Click right here to see the latest upload. Click here to see videos that relate to this video right here. Don't forget to hit the little bell so you can get notifications for whenever I upload new videos. And also, if you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.